Friday, June 19th, and we are approaching the last day of school.
My name's Amanda.
I'm Kayla.
I'm Mallory.
And I'm Ashley. Please rise and say the Pledge of Allegiance with us. Here we go.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Now for a few of today's announcements. Because the school year is almost over, make sure you have all of your uncompleted work turned in. And maybe leave a goodbye email for your teachers, since you will not be able to see them on the last day of school.
This year was definitely a crazy year, but it was also very memorable and very fun.
To end off this crazy school year, we will be doing one final episode of everyone's favorite segment, the Weekly Wednesday Wiggles!
Hey guys, and welcome back to the Weekly Wednesday Wiggles. I'm Kayla Wilson.
I'm Ashley Griffith.
I'm Amanda Brannon.
And I'm Mallory Brannon.
Today we'll be teaching you the iconic TikTok dance, the Renegade.
This dance was the most popular TikTok dance of the whole 2019 to 2020 year. This is how it goes.
Whoa, clap, figure eight, wave, down, up, down, wait, punch, snap, front, side, throw, low, middle, high, right, left, dab, around, woo, ha, ha, hip, hip, cross, cross,